Good day guys, welcome back to the channel. So let's take a look at what we'll be expecting this week on our GBP card. So if you are yet to subscribe to this channel and you've not done that, make sure you click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments. So let's start with our trend. The clear castle that we are arranging within this level on our GBP card. So markets at first pushed up, we had a rejection here. The market drop, give us a rejection around this level, pushed up again, give us another rejection, which we will now take as the sub resistance. Came back again, we had a rejection, which we will take as a support. It eventually came back to this our resistance, give us a rejection. Now it has dropped to tap our support level, and this is the rejection. Market has eventually given us our bullish move to tap this our resistance level. So this is our rejection. So our next movement on GBP card will be another drop to the downside. So we should be expecting a sell movement this week on GBP card.